Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 150. This was the 27th of January, and I am late getting these videos out. This is a Friday, so I did my exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill, 5-minute jog, and did power training in the afternoon, had a power call, did books most of the day, and dialer, and did other personal business, took care of. And that was basically it for day 150. So I'm just renewing my commitment to doing these videos every day. I did get behind. I usually like to do them, I'm in the routine of doing them in the evening, but my wife and daughters like to sometimes use the treadmill in my office in the evening, and when that happens, I usually go to my room and then go to sleep, and then I don't get the video done. So I'm now committing to do these earlier in the day so I don't miss doing my daily video. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.